Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cook leaves of grapes. Now I have a huge box of leaves. At the beginning I will arrange the leaves. This is the first one. We need to cut this part. I have finished from arranging the leaves. This leaf, which is so soft and so thin, we can find them on March and the beginning of April. The hard leaf and thick leaf, it will spend a lot of time in cooking. Because of that, we need the soft and the thinner one. Now, we should boil some water. In a small pot, I added 1 liter of water. Now, I put all the leaves inside the pot. The color will change from green to brown. The leaves are so hot, so we cannot use it now. We will leave it for 1 hour to cool them. After 2 hours, the leaves are cooler than before. For me, I will keep half of them inside the freezer. I will put them inside a plastic box and close it. So, we can preserve the leaves of grapes by freezing. For the stuffing, we need 3 cups of Egyptian rice or sun white rice, which is so small and white. We need 500 milliliter of olive oil. It should be extra virgin. Salt, 3 lemons, 5 onions, 7 tomatoes. The tomatoes and onions are small. Mint, red pepper, it can be fresh. Half bunch of parsley, it should be fresh. Pomegranate sauce. If you don't have, you are not supposed to use it. We should cut the parsley from the bottom of their stems. All the vegetables should be so small. Now we have done from parsley. We don't need the stems of mint. It should be so small. We have finished from cut parsley, mint, onion and tomatoes. Olive oil, then the onions. Then the rice. The tomatoes, mint and parsley, I will put half of the oil. The juice of the lemon and the sauce of pomegranate. You're not supposed to add it if you don't have. And salt. Cup of water. After 5 minutes, it will be ready to use. The stuffing is ready to use, but it's so hot, so I will leave it for 15 minutes to be cooler. We should cover the bottom of the pot by some leaves. Then I will add some slices of onion, or if you want potatoes or tomatoes, as you want. This is the bottom of the pot. This is one leaf. This is the soft side. We will let it out. Then we will put the rice inside the hard side. Now we will fold the sides, the right side and the left side and the bottom side, then roll it. Make sure to roll the leaf in correctly way. I have made 100 rolls. Now we put it inside the pot. We should arrange the leaves in correctly way and don't leave any space between the leaves. Make sure that no space between each leaves. If you leave any space, the leaves will be opened and the rice will fall down. I have finished. Now I will cover by some leaves. This step is so important. This step is so important to keep the rolls closed. Now I need smaller cover than the pot. Now we need a boiling water. The cover should be moved. Now I will add juice of 1 big lemon. Then, if the water boils, I should lower the temperature and close the pot. As you see, the water is boiling, so I will lower the temperature and cover the pot. After 1 hour, I will back to you. After 50 minutes, we should add the salt, then the olive oil. Now we need 5 minutes. If you cook the leaves which preserved by canning, it will spend more than 2 hours. After 5 minutes, I will come back. After 5 minutes, I will add some water. Now this dish is ready.